So again, we have a ChoroQ bus of a real bus here. It's called My Sky Kotsu. It's a bus company in Japan. They have these schedule buses and I guess some tourist buses and perhaps some airport shuttle buses. But anyways, we have this toy here by ChoroQ. It is from 2003, produced by One of One. Hey, I think I've seen that come from on a different brand. Anyways. Is this taped together? No, it's not. Oh, so that must be a photo of the real bus. And then just some cartoons kind of prints there for the rest. So let me get this open. Looking at the license plate 8417, this is the actual photograph back here. That is 8417. There's a little plastic to keep the thing from getting scratched up. And let's compare to that actual bus. Alright. This is a different license plate, but probably the same style of bus. And that's their website. It's My Sky Kotsu. So other types of buses that they have there. Alright, let's see. It's a pretty dark blue. Well, it's on the darker side of medium, I would say. I think this is meant for like helicopters to identify the bus. I'm not sure why this would be gray. There's a dome and maybe an air vent there. Some contaminants in the paint. The side has molded details, all these little crevices for the windows and stuff. And this is actually a sticker right here. Interesting. It's literally a plastic sticker of the schedule, I'm guessing. So really foreshortened doors. Nice wheels, bus wheels with the lug nut details and all that stuff. Going to the front, probably a schedule. That's a sticker as well. This whole black, white, and handicap thing is a sticker in a recess. Alright, the wiper blades are printed on though. That's printed. These are molded, nicely printed, like a charcoal bumper. This side is molded differently, so there's a break here for the clear, whereas the bottom is a separate piece of plastic. Maybe it's opaque. The taillights are just printed on this smooth surface. The license plate is printed on the coin holder. And then back here again, stickers. Sticker and sticker. The taillights are printed on though. Alright. So it says 2002, the casting of this style of bus, I guess. So I think this is probably a standard casting for ChoroQ. They just print on different liveries, and then when they have to, they'll just resort to stickers for little details, I guess. So it's definitely a toy, you know. Oh well, no big deal. These buses are pretty inexpensive, so I'm okay with it. So let me start showing a bunch of other route buses and the like. This is actually probably the same casting on the bottom. The front ends look very similar, but the top has different glasswork or something. Yeah, the roof is also the same. It's got a circle and a rectangle, so it's similar in many ways, but still different enough that it's also lower in ride height. Oh, never mind. I lowered this with Hot Wheels Real Riders. Okay, this is a bus with stickers all over the side of it as well. It's some sort of Osaka radio promotion bus or something. Then I think this is a regular route bus as well. Said I don't know who makes any of these buses. Like what brand of company made these things? Like Toyota or Hino or something. That would be nice to know. Alright. See about some big ones here. This is a Japan Rail double-decker bus. And that's called a Neoplant. See, it's nice to say Neoplant on it. It's called a Neoplant Mega Cruiser. I 3D printed my own bus wheels on it though because I like it so much. And then here's an articulated bus of the standard wheels. I think those wheels are the same casting, maybe? Not sure. Alright, well, got a bunch of different buses. I wish I could talk more about them, but there's really not. I really can't. I don't know who makes these buses, what brand of bus they are, so let's let this guy spin on its own in front of its photograph. And give a dark blue character. Well, I might just pull out this guy. Alright, it's just a standard bus. You know, the stickers are kind of weak. That's one of the downfalls, but in particular the sticker up here is weak. If that falls off, I think the bus will look a little weird. If the other stickers fall off, it'll still look like a pretty cool bus because everything's tampo printed. But that big banner on the top, that falls off, it's going to look a little bit odd, I think. Oh well, I guess we'll see you in the next bus review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.